southeastern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, south central Henry County in northwestern Ohio, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Defiance, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Defiance, Hallgate, Florida, New Bavaria, Jewel, Bruinsburg, Pleasant Bend, Earsville, and Stanley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Storm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Henry. Thanks.